Hey, what's up, everyone? It's Scott with Scott Talks Investing. Welcome back. Wanted to run you through a video showing you how to sell your Splash tokens on Splassive.com. So here we are on Splassive.com. First things first, we'll need to make sure that our wallet is connected. So if you do not know how to do that, you will end up on the homepage here, and we're just going to select Connect Wallet. And you can either connect your MetaMask wallet or your Wallet Connect. For the purposes of this, I'm going to use my MetaMask wallet. And then we're going to head over to the tap. So we're going to head to the tap and we're going to see our available balance. So available balance here, I have recently just recompounded and filled up my deposits. So I took what was available during the Splassive outage, which was accumulating in the background, and I have recompounded. So if you wanted to sell your available splash, as we can see down here, we're going to have a splash price right now of $10.60. We would select claim. So when we select claim, what it's going to do is it's going to claim your Splash tokens into whatever your connected wallet is. So you're not going to see them show up here anywhere. They're going to show up in your connected wallet. However, what will happen is once you've claimed those and we go head over to the well up here where we need to go to sell them, you will see the available balance appear in the well. So once you've claimed your Splash tokens, head to the well, and the first thing you're going to land on is the buy Splash tokens. So we're going to actually need to click sell because that's what we're looking to do. You're going to see again the current splash price, and then right here in the balance section is where you're going to see your Splash tokens appear. Now before you go ahead and decide to claim and sell, just understand that there's going to be a 10% tax applied to the sale of those Splash tokens. It will give you an estimated number of AVAX that you're going to receive, and just go ahead and approve Splash and then click sell. And what that's going to do is it's going to take your Splash tokens and it's going to basically sell them to give you AVAX. So then AVAX is going to show up in your MetaMask wallet. So that's it for selling your Splash tokens on Splassive.com. If you have any questions, please leave those in the comment section below. As always, thanks for stopping by and have a wonderful day.